Unlock effortless webinar engagement with automated messaging, guaranteeing no attendee is ever left in the dark. First, we'll jump into Pabbly Connect and initiate a new workflow. To weave our magic, click on the Create Workflow button and give your workflow a descriptive name like Webinar Automation. Now, let's set up our trigger. This is the action that kicks everything off. Select your webinar platform, be it Zoom, GoToWebinar, or any other as the trigger app. Choose the specific trigger event, such as new registrant. Next up, we'll configure Wati as our action app. Search for and select Wati. Choose Send Template Message as your action, since our confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups will be template-based. Here's where the magic happens. Select your pre-approved registration confirmation template in Wati. Map the relevant data from your webinar platform like the attendee's name, date, and webinar link into the template. To send out those crucial reminders, add a delay module after the registration confirmation action. Configure the delay to send the first reminder 24 hours before the webinar. Add a second Wati action connected to the delay module. Select your pre-approved reminder template, and again use mapping to add information such as the webinar topic and start time from the webinar platform. After the webinar concludes, add yet another Wati action to send a thoughtful thank you message. Map the attendee details and incorporate a feedback link to glean insights for future webinars.